Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you Resident Evil Requiem error, and the error is unsupported graphics card. So if you're getting this unsupported graphics card error in the Resident Evil Requiem game, then here follow the fix. Well, the fix is very easy and simple. What you have to do, you have to just perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then you can go to this NVIDIA website. And if you have AMD graphic card driver, then you can go to the AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, then you have to go to the Intel website. Links are given in my video description. So what you have to do is to search and select your correct graphic card driver and then reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here and then enter the operating system and then click on find. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So the current latest driver version is 591.86. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run it. And after running the exe file, select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box. So check mark this perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC. So just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And then you can launch the game and check. If it doesn't work, then perform these steps once again. Double click the downloaded exe file. Select yes to allow and then click OK. And then click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option, then hit on next. And then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And then just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. If it fails to work on the first attempt, then perform these steps second time and then you can check. Now if you are having a AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. And once you are on this AMD website, select your graphic card driver. You can select graphic card driver and then select your graphic card driver and then select your AMD graphic card driver version. This is just an example. And then click on Windows 11 if you have Windows 11, and if you have Windows 10, then click on Windows 10. And the current latest driver version is 26.2.2. so you have to download it and then just run it. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run it and then install it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website and then search your graphic card driver version over here, and whatever the latest version, download and install it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.